today I will spend the full day in Puerto del Carmen, where the Ironman race is next week, in exactly 1 week from today. I'm now checking the running course, not the full course of course, because I don't want to run a marathon the week before a race. In the afternoon I will also do the swim course. Okay, finished the 10 kilometers in exactly 31 minutes. No, just kidding, I didn't even check my time. Yes, ready to do the 3.8 kilometer open water swim. It's the Ironman course and it's presented by Sands Beach. I just saw the results of the Sailfish open water swim and I swam 57 minutes over the Ironman course, and that's more or less what I expected to do. The best triathlete in the field was Ivan Rania and he finished 4.5 minutes in front of me, so this is the only real reference that I have for this race. There were also some elite open water swimmers and they were just from another